Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I am going to be stuffing some envelopes. I'm doing the 100 envelope challenge. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee, and I am on a journey to retire early at the age of 60. And in order to do that, I'm doing savings challenges, cash stuffing, using the cash envelope system, you know, to get a better hold of my money. And if this is your first time to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you want to follow my journey, I give a lot of money saving tips. You know, I try to make budgeting fun. Go ahead and tap that subscribe button at the bottom of the video, and go ahead and tap that notification bell twice, uno, dos, so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So since I took a break last week, I'm behind. So in today's video, we're going to be stuffing a lot of envelopes. I'm not sure how many to be exact, but what I did was I just divided up all the envelopes and divided up how many weeks I had left in this year, and then I just chose a number of envelopes to stuff for that particular week. So for last week, I was supposed to stuff $780, and this week I'm stuffing $744, which is a total of $1,524. Yes, so that's what we're gonna be doing in this video. But what I like to do first is I like to go ahead and color in my envelopes first. So I hope you guys have been having a good day, good week. If not, just do like me, just regroup. Just thank God for where you are. Even if you aren't where you want to be, just thank God for where you are. That's what I'm learning, to just be positive in everything. So I'm going to fast forward this and go ahead and go ahead and color in all these envelopes. As you can see, I got a different color every week. So that's number 19. Let me move that over to the side. And then what's this? 21. $76. You see 76. Gotta keep that God is awesome in there because he is awesome. 76. 77. 78. So this money, if you're new to my channel, is going to fund my Roth IRA. I turned 50 years old this year, so I can put, my max I can put is $7,000. So we'll see if I have the $7,000 at the end of the year. If not, I can put the $5,050, you know, that I'll have after I stuff all these envelopes. And so I've already figured out how much I have to take out of each paycheck to reach the $7,000 for next year, and I'll be doing that. So I won't have to do a savings challenge to catch up. So saving challenges are fun. You know, it kind of takes your mind off saving a little bit. It's just a fun way to save money, and I enjoy it. 65. So this video is going to be a little lengthy, so go ahead and get you something to drink. I'm drinking water at the moment. So that's all the envelopes for last week. So let's go ahead and get into this week. I do actually have some smaller numbers in this bundle. Yes. 26. 52. 54. And I actually made these envelopes myself. They was a little time consuming, but it was actually fun to make. I just did it when I had a little free time. Actually, coloring these envelopes is therapeutic to me, because you focus on staying in between the lines. I'm not thinking about the fact that I got to put $89 in this envelope. I'm just thinking about how cute it is to stay in between the lines. If you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'm on Instagram and TikTok. So yeah, check the description box for those handles for those 2 areas. TikTok, I have more fun. Instagram is more informational. And I think I'm the most serious on YouTube. So, you know, you get different aspects of my life on all these different platforms. So, let's go ahead and get the stuff in. I gotta go get the money. So, hold on. Got a new camera. Okay, guys, I'm back. I got all my money here. And I use my reusable bank teller slip. If you need one of these, check out my Etsy shop on my website. They're only $1. So, yeah, $1,524. Yes, and I had to pull my little ice skates out. Getting all festive. So yeah, I picked these up at Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago when they were like 50% off. So yeah, they're really tree ornaments. So yeah, aren't they cute? So that is my little decoration for the holidays. So let's go ahead and get started because we got a lot of envelopes and stuff. So 19 we're gonna do a 10, a 5, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I like to put the big bills in the front. Then you know I like to have all my bills folded in the same direction. Got a little OCD going on over here. So yeah, we're gonna move those ice skates over, move the money over a little bit. We're gonna go right there. 26, we're gonna do a 20, a 5, and $1 bill. Yeah, it's kind of late when I'm recording this. I wanted to record it earlier, but I was getting some windows installed, and you know the installers are in and out of your house all day. I didn't want to be sitting here with all this money sitting around because it's unsafe. And number 2, I'm paranoid anyway because I watched Forensic Files, and this lady was having her chimney cleaned, and she had some installers in her house, and she had some money rolled up in a basket on the table. And don't you know they came back later that night and killed that lady to get that money. Her daughter had been fussing at her about leaving money sitting around, so you know I thought about that. So I said I'll just wait till they leave. 76, we're gonna do a 50, a 20, a 5, and a 1. So yeah, even though you know you probably be like, you that paranoid, why are you on this camera with showing money? Because everyone has money. Money is essential for living, so that's why everyone has money, whether they're showing it on a video or not. 50, 20, 5, 6, and 7, 1, 2, 3. So I'm getting ready to redo my craft room for the 3rd time. You know, because as you go along in life, your priorities change. So anything in my craft room that does not bring me joy at this moment in my life, I'm donating it to Salvation Army. Yeah, 57. Even my crafts, I'm changing the type of crafts I'm doing now. And I just want a different look. So I'll show you guys the before and after. If there's something you're interested in, let me know in the comment section if you'll be interested in seeing my craft room redo. Craft room / office / beauty room. But I'm thankful to have the space because I never thought I would even be able to buy a house. So like I said, we all have to be thankful for where we are Even though you may not be where you think you should be, just be thankful for where you are. Because one thing about it, I'm sure you're doing better than you were. So yeah. So you know Miss V always got to come through with some words of encouragement. So we're going to slide that one up. My legs hurting because I'm standing up. Okay, 82, 50, 80. And guess what? I have not put up my Christmas tree, and today is December the 5th. Because when I planned to put it up, I wasn't able to physically. I'll talk about my little health situation at a later date. And the purpose of me sharing my health situation is to let you know that even though you have some low, because I'll share at the highs, I'm always showing when I pay off debt and save all this money. So why not show the lows too? You know, to inspire people. You inspire people by being real. So yeah, just to encourage you to keep going, because you never know what tomorrow may bring. You may have dealt with some today, but you never know what tomorrow may bring. So I'm optimistic. Well, I have faith that I will be healed in the mighty name of Jesus. Yes. But until then, I am going to endure what I have to endure. And I'll still be giving him the praise because he is a healer. Alright. We getting along pretty good. You see, I'm not even thinking about all this money I'm putting in this envelope. I'm just praising God over here. 50, 65, 66. So we got last week's envelope stuffed. Yay! All of these are last week's envelope. So we're gonna move those over to the side because I gotta take a picture, a thumbnail after this. We're gonna go ahead and get off into this week's envelopes. 52. I think I took all the banks 50s. So hopefully we can get through this video without Miss Vee missing any money or having any extra money like I always do in all my videos. So that's that. Let's put this over here. And where my envelope at? See that I messed up. Mixed them. Here we go. 53. $54. Yeah, and I had planned to do the 12 days of Christmas. I had it all planned out. I was going to give away a gift for 12 days. And then my body said, nope, you won't be giving away anything right now. So I had to postpone it, but I am going to do it. I'm going to do it in a different way. All right, 56. We almost there. $57. I did do the 100 envelope challenge where I saved 10,000 in 100 days, but I did not physically have the money on hand. I just left it in the bank and just transferred it from account to account. I really admit this is more fun, but I wouldn't want to stuff $10,000, I don't think. 50, 70, 80, 5, 89. $91, $50. Yep. I made a wish list, a Christmas wish list, and one of the things on my Christmas wish list is I asked for a fireproof safe and some more budgeting items. What did you ask? What's on your wish list? Let me know in the comment section. That Christmas wish list really tells what your priorities are. Because I never thought about a safe till I started budgeting. 50, 70, 80, 5, 88. Got 2 more envelopes. Then we'll be finished with this long drawn out video. Actually, I don't think it was that bad for me to be stuffing a zillion envelopes. Let me tell you how many envelopes we stuffing today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 envelopes. Whew, 61. Look like I got everything together this video. Yay. And last but not least, $50, $62. Yes, look. I had the right amount. I'm so excited. Like Kevin Hart still himself say, so excited. Yes, we did it. We stuffed 24 envelopes, people. Look at this. Look at the beauty. This gonna be my thumbnail. You know I gotta put that God is awesome in there now. Yeah, this gonna be my thumbnail right here. That's it. That's gonna conclude this video. Let me know in the comment section what you have on your wish list for Christmas, and give me a thumbs up if this video brought you any value. And yeah, that's gonna conclude this video. This is Mrs Vee. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm gonna always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day. Let's put these up. See if they'll fit. I got 4 more weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Ooh, my battery's going dead.